Instagram can make things look more lit than they actually were. Yeah, Ghana was the opposite. Like, no amount of video, no amount of footage will even amount to how much enjoyment we had this New Year's. Like, it was absolutely incredible. Y'all know I'm a Ghana veteran. Guys, this airport is looking so crisp, new, and improved.
Are you surprised?
So we are on the way to our gate. We barely have minutes to spare. I think they're gonna delay the whole thing. Because everybody's still in line.
7:20.
Yeah, so.
What gate?
Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Anita Söne. Today we are going to Ghana. My voice is like totally tapped from Lagos, but anyway, I decided that I'm truly gonna vlog this trip, not like I did last time, poorly. But anyways, yeah, I'm feeling good. Got to the airport on time, paid for my bags. Airport's looking cute. Everything's feeling fine.
I don't want that, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want your life, I want buy motor.
3 hours later.
How'd you guys feel about the flight? How'd you feel?
That was alright.
Short, right?
Yeah, very short.
Was it cold?
It was cold. It was cold. I was just... I didn't tell them to turn down that egg.
Day 2 was quite calm. It was when we went into the villa. It was absolutely stunning. It's so exciting to see African real estate really, like, from the drawings to execution. This place was amazing. Fully furnished, fully decked out. You know how to get the master bedroom. That's the organizers. So
A few minutes later.
later that night, we got ready and went out to a DLT event. Oh, child, this place was filled to the brim. To the brimmity brim. Like, it was so much fun. I love an outdoor, vibey. I would say no section, but there was sections. And it was so cute. It was so lovely. It was a nice little mixture of the British and American diasporans. But yeah, Bloom Bar was packed that night. Embassy Gardens is so cute.
Gardens, favorite place in Accra. Check it out. Stay here next time, I'm sure.
6 hours later.
So we are at dinner right now. And I ordered a daiquiri, lemon drop shots. We're waiting on a Max. Max, if you see this,
do better, Max. Do better.
I won't say a word because I love you. But I'm really. Anyways, we're waiting on Max. So we're trying to see whether we're gonna sit here or inside. But yeah, pray for me.
Meanwhile.
Say that again. No, let me say it again. Say it again. I had one of those little couch waters that was like purified filter water.
She needs pure water. Pure water. That's what she had.
How was it? Fantastic.
I remember thinking, I'm about to beat this bitch up.
We're like, give it a few days, so. Not being happy about it.
When you're thirsty,
Eventually.
Go ahead.
I did that album. I did it right.
When I'm on a Rolls Royce, they thought I'm a cease. Hey, recipe. Here's some. Hey, I go for mine. I got to shine.
The next morning.
And by next morning, I mean, this is still the same day. This is still the same night out. This is just some hours later.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
It's insane because the place is completely filled. Ghana doesn't really have close times for their clubs. I guess they just vibe until like they choose to vibe till. So we were surely still dancing.
You are out of fucking line. Period.
It was cute. We actually ended up riding some horses on the beach. Ended up getting some food.
8:01 p.m.
Case closed. Next case. Work hard, play harder.
Spending New Year's in Ghana has become such an amazing tradition. Like the accumulation of friends, new ones, old ones, outgoing, incoming, the love, the joy that everyone experiences. Just being Black, being African on the continent, celebrating together.
2 hours later.
It was one of those evenings where we just spent like 6, 7, 8 hours just from here to there. We were on stage, we were at photo booth, we went outside to get food and back. It was just one of those, just like, I don't know, something about Ghana that just makes you feel like time is not a construct. You don't get tired, you're not irritated, you're just vibing, you're calm. It's not America, not a race, you know?
And listen, all blessings in 2023. Pray as you covered as you leave Ghana, protected from danger seen and unseen, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, financially, relationally, and health-wise. We turning this up, Jay, let's do it.
Happy New Year, bro.
What do you gain from that?
I deserve to be in jail. I just know, actually, no, lock me up. Lock me up right now.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
This day was so lovely. We went to a CBD spa started by a diasporan from the States, moved to Ghana, and everything was just so lovely. And I love a group spa experience. I've never had one before. And sure, it's limited. You know, you kind of get the like foot massage and you do the aromatherapy and you do what you can do in a group spa setting. I wish I was more in tune with like scents and everything like that. I think you guys know me. I'm a bush girl, but interesting.
A few moments later.
So how do you feel right now?
My name is Sandra and I feel great.
Your name is Sandra, you feel what?
I feel great.
We love to see it. Okay, so sorry, mid-neck massage, but how do you feel right now?
Great.
Amazing? What was your favorite thing? This? The foot massage? Ooh. What's your name and what's your purpose?
Huh?
What's your purpose for 2023? There we go.
Oh, purpose 2023.
Chili, can I have this?
A lot.
You didn't have to cut me off.
Right. Up to it.
Down to it.
Fuck
Don't
those who
do it,
don't
don't
do
do
it.
it.
We do it because we used
Do
to
it.
Drink, motherfucker, drink.
Eventually.
Tell them it's history, man. Making history. Always, 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 always.
Highest grossing superhero movie for black female lead ever in
You heard? You heard? Little.
Oh, your position is crazy.
Okay, we got some motion.
Video. Video.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay.
Outside.
Outside.
Hey.
We outside.
Play Ghana. You know the vibes.
We outside in Ghana.
Last.
The biggest takeaway from this entire experience?
The biggest takeaway from this experience is that I'm gonna do it again.